Hi everyone, it's Karen here. Welcome to another video with me. And today I'm going to share with you how I created this super elegant and simple Christmas card. This card would be ideal if you wanted to do a batch of Christmas cards. I'm using just 3 stamps. I've got Star Cluster, I've got the Christmas Eve stamp, and then I've got one stamp from the sentiment set called 3 Blessings. We've got happiness, hope, and faith in that set. So, as I said, a really simple card for Christmas. A6, which is an A5 folded in half, and I've rounded the corners. We'll get started. The colours that I'm going to be using, I've got Mowed Lawn and I've got Mustard Seed. And then I'm going to use an assortment of liquid pearls for the baubles on my Christmas tree. I've got one stencil, and that's Feather Leaf, but any of the stencils will work perfectly with this. So I'm going to start by stamping my main image, which is my Christmas Eve stamp. I'm using VersaFine Clear Nocturne because it gives me a nice, solid, crisp image every single time. And I'm going to stamp this to the left, and a little way up from the bottom. Perfect. Then I'm going to take my stencil. This is a super quick card. I like this stencil because it's got swirls, and I'm going to position one of the swirls so it's coming into the Christmas tree like this. Hey, you can do it any way you like. I'm taking Oxide Mowed Lawn with my gorgeous blending brush. I love these. They're so soft. And so, circular motion, I'm just going to create a bit of texture behind my Christmas tree through this stencil. And there's no need to tape it down because it's going to be really quick. Perfect. Then, still with Mowed Lawn, I'm going to create a bit of colour behind my stenciling. Again, keeping moving this brush in a circular motion. That way you don't get any scratches or splodges. Those are technical terms. Did you know that? Scratches and splodges. It's far better to have less than more here because this is a very simple little design and we don't want anything overpowering it too much. There we have that. We're done with Mowed Lawn. Then I'm going to take my Star Cluster set, again with my Nocturne. Now, this isn't quite a circle, as you can see, but as we're going to pop it there, I don't want some of these extra stars on the edge to interfere with our stamping already. So I'm going to take my cloth, which is on my lap at all times, and I'm just going to rub the ink off some of the stars on the edge, making sure that you take all the ink off. And then you're just going to position it like that. So we've got this little halo coming out of the Christmas tree. And then I'm going to take Mustard Seed with my blending brush, and I'm just going to do the same thing, create a bit of a halo behind our stamping. There we have it. Look at that. Then I'm going to take happiness, because we all need happiness, don't we? Not only at Christmas time, but all the time. And I'm going to position that bottom right. That will give me a bit of balance to the whole design. And then, I don't know about you, I always think how nice it would be to have a two-tone coordinated Christmas tree. And then I start picking out the decorations and the kids start going, oh, do you remember when I made this? And you think, yes, okay, let's just have a multicoloured Christmas tree. So the colours that I'm going to be using in these gorgeous liquid pearls are sage, carnation red, brilliant, white opal and daffodil. But any colours will work. And I'm going to do the same for each one. Test it out on a spare piece of paper, or here I've got my acetate, just to see how much pressure I need to apply. And I'm going to create a few dots, colour in a few of these baubles on the left hand side, a couple on the right hand side of the tree, and then one or two in the centre. And I'm going to do that for each colour. So there we have it. Finally, I'm just going to round the corners with my corner rounder punch. Oh, that got a bit jammed. There we have it. There we have it. So thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.